I came to Country Doctor because I did not have medical insurance, and my very first visit there, I was at the bottom of the barrel. I was at the worst point in my life because my son had passed away. I'll never forget when I met with Dr. Cowan, I told her, I shouldn't be here. I have an 805 credit score. I've been a homeowner. I've worked really, really hard to get to where I am. But sometimes life is hard.
Being in a position where I had no money and I didn't know what to do, my aunt suggested that I go to Country Doctor or Carolyn Downs. Country Doctor was closer, and I went to Country Doctor and I haven't left.
And so I went to Country Doctor because I had a plethora of things going on. I mean, I was depressed, just anxiety, just a lot of things. And they were my miracle because I was in the worst time of my life.
I suffered from a great deal of depression because my lifestyle had suddenly changed. And I really at times didn't care. I didn't want to commit suicide, but I didn't care about my health because I didn't care if I would wake up tomorrow or not. Finding Sarah was a lifeline for me. She stuck with me, you know. She listened to me, she helped me, she got me to counseling. You know, I am much more healthy than I'm supposed to be. And that's because of the care I got at Country Doctor.
I went in there one time after reading an article about adult ADD, and I'm like, I know I have it. I can't concentrate. And she told me, I'm not giving you drugs. She went out and wrote a long prescription, and she said, I want you to get with a therapist here and talk about, you know, your grieving. I want you to exercise, and I want you to get out and meet people.
Sometimes you need to talk to someone. And I talk to Sarah a lot, you know, not only about my medical issues, but she's interested in how my life is going, and through that, she suggests changes in some of my lifestyles. Now, do I take all the suggestions? No, but I take some of them. When I go to see her, it's, and even though she's a very busy doctor, she spends time with me. She asks me personal questions because she relates to me rather as a friend as well as a doctor. And so that's how I know. And you can tell the minute she walks in a room and she sees me, a smile grows on both of our faces. As well as the staff, I walk in and they say, okay, you're back, you know, you're checked in. They don't even ask my name at this point.
So the reason why I stay with Carolyn Downs is because I had a very good doctor and very good medical insurance when I lived in California. But I felt like my doctor would come in and she'd be like, you have 5 minutes to tell me everything that's wrong with you, and then on to another patient. Whereas my doctors at Carolyn Downs have spent 45 minutes to an hour with me. And I honestly believe, I joke with them that they read my chart before they come in to see me, because they'll bring up things that I talked about 2 or 3 visits prior that I don't even remember until they remind me of it. And really the care is unparalleled. Everybody from the reception area to the physician's assistants to the doctors, I have never received such wonderful care.
Having a place to go to that provided, you know, top quality medical care, and arranging for me to see specialists or whatever at low cost was actually life-saving. It was life-saving for my heart condition. It was life-saving when my cancer did appear.
They're wonderful, and I owe my life to them. I honest to God can say that.
Country Doctor takes a personal interest in, you know, all their clients.
I go because of the service and because of the relationship I have with my doctor and also with the staff. I mean, I'm not a number. I'm not on a time clock. And they genuinely care. They genuinely care.